When you have data in your workbook and it's laid out in columns and rows and your data is in cells, that is a data range or a list of data. If data is formatted as a table, and that is in your home menu, and it's in the middle of the home menu. We will come back to this afterwards, so I will explain this in more detail, but I can choose a format for my table. It selects the range, and I will explain this in more detail as well. My table does have headers. I'm going to select OK, and it's converted my data to a table. Now, just because it's got colors doesn't mean it's been formatted. I could have added those colors in myself, but I have a table design menu. That's a new menu that's been added to my other menus because there's now new functionality within Excel. So you will often see new menus appearing regarding what you are doing. So I'm going to convert that back to a range actually. Oops, let's take that down. Let's click back on that. And that's now converted back to a range. And I wonder if I can, what I just did then, I did Ctrl Z, which is the same as doing undo. And that just took me back to how my data was originally. So that's the help menu, show training. Very, very useful, but there's nothing to stop you using Google or YouTube or whatever works for you. So those are the menus. Each menu has a ribbon except File, and File just has a panel down on the left-hand side. Okay, down at the bottom, I'm just going to move my bar. We have worksheets, which we touched upon. So I have in this workbook, I have 3 worksheet tabs. Now I have sheet 3 here and sheet 2. Now sheet 2, I'm going to rename. So I'm going to click on this worksheet, right click on this worksheet, and I'm going to rename, or I could just double click in the tab. So this is a worksheet tab, and I'm going to call this training. I could also right click on the tab and change the tab color. So I'm going to make it orange so it's nice and clear. So now if I click away, you can see that tab is in orange. So these are worksheets, and these worksheets are showing via tabs. I have the new worksheet button here. And if we go to workbooks that have a lot of worksheets, what you have are the left and right arrows where you can navigate or move through all of the worksheets. A nice trick is to right click on those arrows, and then you can see all of the worksheets in a workbook, and you can just click on any of them, select OK, and then you can go to that particular worksheet.